What's up, stackers? So today I'm going to show you how you can literally make some free money. This is money without investment and is really easy to do. Now, if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I come out with different videos on how you can start making some money online. So don't forget to go and hit subscribe and hit the little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want my #1 recommendation to making a full-time income right here online, then click that link in the description below and I'll send that straight to you. So, what are we going to be doing? Well, this is Craigslist. Everyone knows Craigslist. You get Craigslist everywhere. Obviously, it's bigger in certain parts of the world, especially the USA, but as long as you've got Craigslist, you can do this. So, on Craigslist, there's free items for sale. Well, not for sale. People are giving away free stuff. Then what you can do is go and get that free stuff and flip it on Facebook's marketplace or eBay if you want to go that route. So, once you're on Craigslist, just going to do Oxford for this example. You come here to sale, for sale, and then to free. Now, this is going to pop up a load of stuff that people are giving away. They're giving it away for free because they can't be bothered to sell any of it. So if we scroll down, we can see what kind of stuff people are giving away. Now, these two are trying to sell something on the free part. Shame on you. Anyway, if we scroll down, we can see all of this. A little printer stand, little free kids backpack, free 28-inch TV, and a little pet box. So as you can see already, this free 28-inch TV. So if we go over to Facebook Marketplace and put in 28-inch TV, there you go. £100, £10, £30, £40, £50. Now, as you can see, this one actually looks fairly modern, so you could probably get around £30 for that just on the Facebook Marketplace. So do you see the power of this? If you need money, you can do this because it doesn't really cost you anything. Okay? Now, if you're somewhere in the US, even better, because on Craigslist, you're going to find so much more opportunity. So if we just go to CL for a minute, let's change this to US states or US cities. Let's go to LA. It's a place where I want to go. I haven't been yet. I will get there someday. Back to the free section. And now we'll see in LA all the free stuff that people are giving away. A free iPhone. So someone right now in LA, while I'm recording this, is giving away a free iPhone. Free iPhone. Would you keep it or would you sell that? Let me know in the comments down below. I'd probably sell it. But look, a black dresser. Wood IKEA desk. I mean, there's so much stuff. Now you're going to have to filter through all of the shit. Obviously, there's going to be stuff on here that isn't worth a lot. But then you do find those golden nuggets that you can actually make a decent amount of money on. Now, if you did this every day in your area, how much money do you think you could make in a week? Think about that. If you kind of did this in your spare time, went and got all the free stuff that people didn't want, and then sold it either on eBay. Now with eBay, you are going to have your eBay and PayPal fees. That's why I say Facebook Messenger, because then people can come and buy it from you, come and pick it up and give you cash. But do you see the opportunity here? I hope you do. If you really need money like right now, then go and try this out. What have you got to lose? It's not going to cost you anything to do at all. I'm going to keep this method, or this video, sorry, nice and short because there's not a lot of explaining when it comes to this method. You find stuff on Craigslist that people are giving away, and then you flip that over on the Facebook marketplace. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.